Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to unbox a Redcat Ascent 18. Yes, you heard it right. I bought another little car. I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more of these little ones, but I kind of missed playing around in the garage or just being able to take one to work with me. And so I bought one. And this is the Redcat Ascent 18. I figured the 24s, that, like I said, they're fun cars. I just had a problem building them because the screws were so small. So I'm hoping this one, the screws are a little bit bigger, but we're going to dive into it and see. So here's what's in the box. Looks like you get 750 milliamp battery with a charger, 4 kg metal gear servo, which sounds pretty good, and a clipless body mount. It's 18 scale, 4-wheel drive, brushed, 2.4 gigahertz. Here's the different colors: graphite, red, blue, pink. As you can see, my little thumb points up to the pink one. I'm gonna do a little breast cancer awareness thingamajigger. So I have a buddy, Trail Crawlers RC, print me out a couple stickers for it. Once I get some measurements for them. 118 scale brush, rock crawler, 2S LiPo battery charger. It needs 4 AA's. To open it. So, and it does have high clearance portal axles, which is cool, and ball bearings throughout, so you don't have to replace the ball bearings or bushings right away. Let's open this bad boy up and get to it, huh? This is gonna be just quick. I know this has been unboxed 100 times, but I haven't seen any pink ones out there yet. Oh. Man, that's a nice pink too. Oops. It ripped off the body. Man. I don't know how to open this thing up. They don't make it easy, do they? Oh, let's just cut that. Look at that bad boy. A little clip on the bottom, or a little piece you spin on the bottom here, supposedly. It won't spin now for some reason. Man, that was tight. Whew. So let's take that off and put this body back on the way it should be. I'm just gonna turn that a little bit because that was tight. Well, I loosen that up. There, that thing's nice, guys. It's a nice color. Huh. No problem. That's kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. On top it says no problem, and then when you flip it upside down, you can read the problem. Funny little sticker. So, yeah, there we go. Let's see what else is in the box. I haven't done a ton of research. I've looked at a couple videos here and there, but make sure there's nothing else in the box. Sorry about the noise. Nice. Open up the battery charger manual. This comes with, looks like body posts. Yeah, so you can put body posts, change the body if you want to. That's kind of cool. Cheap little charger. Get these with all the little cars. Stickers. Put over your fender wells if you want to black out the fender wells. Little stickers. I kind of like these stickers right here with all the, you know, manufacturers or whatever, you know, all your sponsors. I don't know what those are. Redcat. Just a white thing, I guess, to put your number on, maybe. Yeah, so those are cool. Quick little starter up manual. Tells you how to kind of forward, reverse, how to pop the top, where to plug the battery in, that kind of thing. And then the controller. Let's find some batteries for it. So this is a nice little controller. Wish it would have been with a foam wheel. That would have been nice because you could actually one-hand it a little better. Right here is kind of slips. Then all your settings, you got a ton of settings in there, guys. You got steering trim, throttle trim. Looks like steering endpoints or dual rates. And it's so glossy, it's hard to see. Couple lights. You got your reverses, then you're on and off. So that's good. And you have a 3-channel here, 4-channel. So you got a couple different channels. I don't know if they're hooked up to the ESC or not. If we can do that through that. Don't need that no more. Move all this stuff out of the way. And so here, look at that again, guys. It's actually a nice color. It's not overly whelming. Yeah, I thought about putting a sticker in the back, but that's a pretty narrow window. I might have to just put it in the back here and a couple, maybe get a bow here, cancer bow here, maybe on the sides, and then put a sticker on the back on the bed. I kind of don't like how that was popped up, but it's just a sticker back here for the bed rather than being painted. So let's get this off. I guess, yeah, it flips up. If you really want to get it off, you can just kind of push it forward. I'll probably have to loosen this up a little bit because that was pretty tight. Just unscrew the screw a little bit and you can adjust the height to that. But here you go. All this glories. So you got your, what is it, 750 milliamp battery, which is, you can put this on your regular charger, which that's the way I'll charge it probably most likely, unless I'm at work. And I'll bring that with me. Tires are nice and soft. Nice foams in them. I do have tires and weights and all that stuff on the way. Some new bumpers. We'll have to check those out. I heard there's some mods to move the shocks in a little bit. I saw that. Those are kind of a little flimsy. I might get those links. Yeah, the drive shafts I hear break, but I guess if you're not binding them up real hard, they, some people say they last. So it's, It's one of those things, guys, you know. Depends on how hard you're beating on it. For some reason, I thought that was going to be a long motor, but that's actually a little short motor. So, yeah, and it's a 2-in-1 ESC receiver. So if you do upgrade, you are going to need a receiver and controller for all that stuff. So let's get this out. That's kind of cool. So that's just a little 750. I was kind of wondering what if mine would fit in there. I got 1,000. I think it's pretty small. So from Speed Tech, just a little thicker. That's all that one is. So I could put 1,000 up in there if I wanted to, but it won't fit there. So I was looking for, I've been looking for a battery to maybe put up here. I know for a fact we can move this to there to get the little bit of weight. Yeah, that'll fit right in there if I want to. So I have extra batteries if I want. That's 1,000. That'll probably last me a week. It's actually pretty light. It's supposed to be 50-50 on the weight. It's got the nice portals. I got the links coming in so you don't get any of this, you know, flex or anything. Actually, those are pretty good right there. A little bit of flex, but not bad. Yeah, that's pretty good turning radius. It's very nice. High clearance. You got some pretty tall, not positive on the tire size that I got. I just kind of picked from what I liked and looked and saw online. Yeah. I saw that there was a mod to raise this up, which will do that for sure. So we can get that extra high clearance link. So if we pull these 2 screws off, get rid of the battery tray, pull these 2 screws off the top, then you can get access to the screws on the side. And the skid plate sits way down. You guys can see that or not. It sits way down. And the screws, if you pull all 4 screws out and then push it up, there's this extra set of holes there, and it shoves all that up high. So that's kind of neat. Now it's harder to get to your links, so we'll probably wait till I get a set of links before I do that, so we don't have to pull it all back out again. But we'll see. You know how you start tinkering with stuff, and a little bouncy, but not too bad. So yeah, there you go, guys. We'll have to check that out and go play with this thing. Go plug it in, charge up the battery. I wish they would have gave you like plastic bead locks so you could, you know, reuse the tires on some nice rims. Although these aren't too bad looking. So, and these screws are small. They are going to be the 1.5s. I'm just going to take one out just to see. Yeah, these are going to be tiny for me too, guys, but you know what? Yeah. Guru, you were right. He told me the screws were tiny on these ones too, but they're all small. I think the only ones that are maybe bigger are the TRX4M, maybe. I don't know. At least it's 1.5 millimeter, the head of it. So, I mean, I have the other tools. I kept my SCX24 tools that I was using. But yeah, sounds good, looks good. Look at that, guys, man. The body is just, I like the color. The color came out better than I thought. Let's put this back on there. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna loosen this up just a hair. I know you probably want it tight, but this is stupid tight. Man, doesn't want to go over that little bump. There we go. Man, that was brutal. I guess they do it so it won't fall out of there like that, but there we go. Okay, we'll try there. We'll have to mess with that. But yeah, it looks like we might get a little bit of body rub, but we'll play with that. Let that rub for a little while before I really don't want to cut the body if I don't have to. I'd rather maybe get a different body if we come down to that. Yeah. Sorry, I've been just rambling on, guys. But yes, I'm not sure if I need wheel extensions or how big the tires are. We'll see how once I get the other tires and wheels in. We'll see if I need to get extensions to get maybe some more clearance. Sounds like we might be rubbing on this body, but and then yeah, this is gonna be kind of a fun little project. Fun little get back into it. It was fun playing around in the garage or going out in the backyard with it, you know what I mean? So like I said, taking it to work, playing with it in the, you know, I get stuck at work sometimes at job sites, and it's they're fun to have with you to mess around with. I go to multiple different job sites, so there you go, guys. All this glory. If there's anything else you need to know, leave a comment in below. I'll try to answer it for you. Like I said, we'll do some upgrades on it. We'll do some videos on it. There's some mods I've watched some guys do that were easy. Like I said, I had a bumper mod, but I got bumpers coming for it, aluminum ones. So this isn't going to be like a comp crawler. This is going to be more like a trail for the body, and then maybe get a second one, or see how much I like doing this. I like tinkering on stuff. So if I can get past the screw issue, then we'll move on to another one, or to I'm liking the TRX 4M. I know it's Traxxas, but yeah, I'm liking that. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.